On the tractor with it. Happy Sunday, y'all. Trying to go live. Can't because of the damn connection. So, I don't know. When I was a kid, I always thought this refrigerator was gigantic. I mean, the handle is like 3 feet fucking tall. Cracky cold one. The yard is beautiful today. Cracky Cody. My team just scored. Man City with the goal. Follow your boy. Like, subscribe, follow. Let's get some money today. In the yard with it. Yeah.